I didn't hear you click. My name's Eddie, and I'm the branch manager of the Carmel Valley Branch Library. At our branch, we have Makerspace fairs on the last Saturday of every month. I hope to see you at one of those soon. Today, we're going to make a stereo system for your cell phone. So first, you need your cell phone, piece of paper towel roll, 2 cups, a pencil and a Sharpie, a knife, scissors, tape, a ruler, something to work on, and some decorating supplies. Our first step is to make some templates. So I'm going to use our roll here, and I'm going to trace around the circle. Doesn't have to be perfect. There. And then we're going to use the cell phone, and we're going to trace around the speaker side of the cell phone as best we can. Okay, now that we've got that done, we're going to take our scissors and carefully, if we can use scissors, you can use scissors. If not, you can ask an older sibling or family member to help you, and we're going to start cutting. Okay, now that we have our templates cut out, we're going to use our paper towel roll, and we want to put it as close to the center as we can. So I'm going to use my ruler. If you don't have a ruler, you can just eyeball it as best you can. This is 11 inches, so half of 11 is 5.5. So I'm going to put a little mark at the 5.5 inch mark. I'm now going to take my template, roll the tape over like so, put it on the template, and center this roughly. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough is fine. I'm going to do that. So we have that ready for the next step. And we're going to do the same thing with the cups. And with the cups, you don't want it to be too close to the edge, but more towards the center. And for these, I'm just going to eyeball it, rolling the tape again. And since I have a nice design, I can use that as my mark. So I'm going to use it right there. And do the same thing for the other cup. There we go. Sometimes the tape can be tricky. So I got it on the center of each cup and on the center of the roll. Okay, so now we have our template centered. I'm going to cut or trace around the outside. Again, you don't need to be perfect, just close enough. Do it for both cups. That. So you got a circle, that. And if you miss a spot, you can just go ahead and fill that in. So now we've got 2 circles. And now we're going to do the same thing on the paper towel roll. We just trace around our template, like so. Remove our template. It's got a little gap there, so just fill that in, and there. So now we're ready to start cutting. All right, now that we have our outlines traced, we're ready to cut. Now, you don't have to ask permission to use scissors or a knife. If you don't have a knife, you can use scissors and just poke a hole in it and then start cutting. I'm going to use my hobby knife. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to poke a hole in it, and I'm going to start carefully cutting along, making sure that I'm being very safe. loose enough. You can lift it. I have to cut it a little bit more right there. All right. So we've got one hole. Now we're going to do this with the cups. You always want to cut away from you, not towards you. Okay, that's one cup, and then we'll do the same thing with the other cup. All right, we have all our parts ready. We've got the cups, our tube, our cell phone. At this point, you can decide whether you want to decorate it now or wait for a little bit later. Whatever you have around, you can use markers, paints, crayons, whatever you'd like. All right, so let's put it together. So I'm going to put in, not all the way in, but just part of the way in, like that. And this side as well. If you want, you can put tape along the edges so you have a nice, smooth, tight edge. So now, I'm going to turn this way. So that. All right, now, I've got some tunes going. So I'm going to play it. And then I'm going to stick the sound and the speaker into our stereo system. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can learn more about how sound waves work by going to the library's website. And I hope to see you soon at the Carmel Valley Branch Library.